Hello friends, welcome to Tuesday's video. I'm so excited to give this a shot. I'm very nervous as per usual. I'm going to go ahead and start making the container that I'm going to pour my mold stuff into, and I wanted to try out the Legos thing, see how that works. So I've got a box of Lego pieces. They're all the same shape because I'm just making just a regular rectangular box. I've also got some tape to put onto the cardboard base that the Legos are going to sit on. I've got my mold making stuff, and then I've also got off camera my hot glue gun is heating up. So I'm going to build this all out, and then I will show you guys what I will be molding today. And I'm super excited, and I hope you are too, so stick around. Hey guys, this is a gentle reminder to please hit that like button, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much. Alrighty guys, so these are all prepared. I went around the bottom with hot glue. I hot glued my items in. I was struggling a little bit to center these. I probably should have hot glued them in and then built around it, but that's okay. And then I also went around all of the bricks and put tape because there are some gaps between the bricks and I don't want the silicone to, you know, leak out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this mixed up. This is a mess. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, so this should be pretty easy. And I've got my Total Boat bucket that I'm going to try it in. And they do have measurements for 1-to-1, so I think I'm going to do number 4, which I think is a little more than 18 ounces, so it's probably about 19 ounces. And yeah, hopefully this works. Maybe that might be too much. Oh, darn it. That might be too much, because these are pretty small. So, and 2 is too little. Now I don't know what to do, guys. You know what, maybe I'll mix it up to 2, which is about 250 milliliters. And then if I need more, I'll mix up more. But we'll start there because clearly I'm not going to have more molds set up and, or more, you know, things set up and prepared to pour the excess in like I do when I'm pouring resin. I always have extra molds. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to try and shoot for around the 250 milliliters for the first one. And then, like I said, if I need more, I'll mix up more. But, all right. Let's get cracking.